What's going on, guys? Major League Breaks here, and today I'm going to do a random baseball pack mixer. So, let's see what I get. We have 2 packs of Allen Ginter, 2 packs of Bowman, and 2 packs of Stadium Club. So, we have Okerson, a Mike Trout, a Peter O'Brien rookie mini, Salvador Perez, Craig Kimbrel, and a Ernie Johnson. And for Bowman, we have a Jose Altuve, John Lester, Masahiro Tanaka, a Huriel Jurado for the Rangers, Anthony Banda, first Bowman, a Jeff Connie, rookie flashbacks, Brett Phillips, Grant Holmes, and Salvador Perez. For Stadium Club, we have a Familia, a Blake Snell rookie, a Yasmani Tomas, a Salvador Perez, and a Mark Teixeira. For Ginter, we have a Steely, Vinny G, a Baseball Legends Jackie Robinson, a mini Starlin Castro, a Carlos Beltran, and a Lucas Duda. I'll say Bowman for last. We have a Chris Bryant, Frankie Montas rookie, Adam Eaton, Brandon Crawford, and a Carl Yastrzemski. Last pack, Chris Davis, Ryan Braun, Justin Upton, Phil Bickford, Chrome, Victor Robles, first Bowman, Kyle Tucker, International Ink, Rafi Ozuna, Sal Romano, Samuel Coonrod, and a Robinson Cano. So that was it. There was a little baseball pack mixer. And thanks for watching.